Tonko sunchira ye nyina omo man Ghana enye ye enye asase a ewo ye nipa e de ma ne manfo nyame me enya akoma ebekoso adoye man ya doye ho nya koso ehirehire ho no man kan ko ne pagya ene ya me de akwasi ensi Asem Yi Di Ka bre na adrusuim na mesre da Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amoakohene sa basabasa ya abasu wasantimantem for Council of State abato no penifo hwe na muntimi dealing with once and for all enimguase edemaye enimguase semkese pa de ma asanteman sibe kwa abato na kitikiti se besi enimguase the doctor you as the regional security council head onim penifo hwe kwan nam so bi ma saba say ya to ne ba akoso ya to ne pre ni so na still basabasa say dey mean say there's a challenge ye hwe ne tibi NCC ma so ndwemra asanteman analo pay komo bi ho no mu a eweki ye nyina ya spirit kaye nyina adwen si bibi so say oman no ye ya chia ye ya chia no so enyina eyese sebi yama yankasa ye yo no yemfa ento yensem ene ani abresi be kikire obi man abreti ye man mu etia na metisa amanfo ka ene yete Ghana ene da bia dollar yete Ghana ye Ghana mo so yeto abrofo mo na edie ohunu Ghana ni se waye mu a ompeso beto opeso to ne broni aye President Mama nano eye edmanpanifo kabom hiem de ekoso eka asembi na etwenya adwensi bibi so yedi kan ye baako ye declare impre ni suo ye declare Osaji Fleta Kwame Nkrumah penso and kwa they started said the black man is capable of managing his own affairs any eboa and the ebesi Ghana beyond aid and the aba Africa self-reliance. The question is say, a breben na bibi mine Ghana, a family mine, Ghana, bet miaka se near madudu edi a year huno, it will be 70% dear, ye be ye near dear memudie. A breben. She President Mahama, as one to ja, a you shem dena say about Africa being self-reliance.
Which was a side meeting of the AU summit. President Mahama highlighted the numerous challenges facing the continent, including a big financing gap of around $402 billion annually until 2030. To close this gap, President Mahama called for a holistic strategy that prioritizes domestic resource mobilization, strengthens tax systems, and curbs illicit financial flows. He said the creation of key African Union financial bodies, including the African Central Bank, African Investment Bank, African Monetary Fund, and Pan-African Stock Exchange, is expected to enhance investment and financial access across the continent. He urged African nations to expedite the establishment of these institutions and leverage their collective power to address Africa's financing and investment shortfalls.
Similarly, the African Monetary Fund, the AMF, supports macroeconomic stability, which is crucial for investor confidence. The African Investment Bank is also pivotal in funding infrastructure projects such as energy, transport, digital transformation, while the Pan-African Stock Exchange is envisaged to integrate capital markets, making it easier for businesses to raise capital and thereby enhancing liquidity, promoting intra-African investments, and providing alternative financing mechanisms for governments and the private sector. Ladies and gentlemen, progress is being made towards the establishment of this exchange, with the Commission and the African Security Exchanges Association working on the Exchanges Linkages project. This initiative also aims to enhance liquidity and facilitate capital mobilization across African nations. We encourage more African stock exchanges to join this important project. Undeniably, strong political will and effective policy coordination are going to be crucial for the successful implementation and overall impact of the African Union financial institutions. The Republic of Ghana continues to champion and advocate for member states to embark on due processes at the national levels to expedite the establishment of these institutions, recognizing their significance in promoting investment and financing our Agenda 2063.
The meeting was attended by high-ranking officials from various multilateral organizations, both within and beyond the continent, including the Director General of the World Trade Organization, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala.
So me issue ni nyina no pa nyina eyese ekwan be na Ghana betimi afa so as oman yen tonko so fa ye ho ento obi man so bebre sa se na president mama eka no ebibiman me kwam se me nkona bibiman kura esono do kwan be na oman Ghana ye timi say ye niema ye de ye ho over 60% efro bi man so e na eba me wa sa niema ne ye niema bi e betimi aye bi wo ye man mu eno nam ne pani bi edi nkomo wo Food and Agriculture Organization FAO no aka che say jene ye ba Ghana se na ni huna na nwura ho jene ye credit free ye amaya hye so e ba omamu ya na nwura kra ho tomatoes enima eye easy to come by Nyankopon de ehwo asase adom on my Ghana ye betimi aye bie ye kra emu dodo ba ye mamu dia then awrewo that mammographic online because was ye started entokwan if you are surgeon for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah person yeah, to indeed the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Any aboa. And a see Hanum. Ghana Beyond Aid Strategy document launched. She date no May 2, 2019. Maybe some say. Akwa say. Ghana Beyond Aid year launched in 2019. Ye me say who say. Si akase de gu ensanie nia. And na ye ka say. Yekase the Ghana Beyond Aid who so egu ensaniania so aso ababi de amaya na ye next step be eba be say we are calling for self-reliant. How can we be self-reliant when we are not deliberately promoting Ghanaian owned businesses? You need a political will to tell young crop for a cranny madodo bo mem say enough is enough. Let's support Ghanaian businesses. Yeri neni chia yankoso simato kakra ba onpe yaguno yaguno how can we be self-reliant and akwa mining sector abrofo na aju wakenten so kwa banking sector manfra na abechi won makenten so kwa telcos Ghana chefo ye telcos me say hwesika dodo a ye repatriate edi from mamuko. So there be a make say president Mama, we wish you well. But the mentality of Ghanaian need resetting before we can reset our economy. Me need the questions here. Ye rekomoke se bi to aso the pay e the amount. Kai say I was supposed to hold on. Asem Yi Di Ka background.